Hi Gemini, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your mid-month check-in. Gemini, these are general collective readings, okay? So they're not going to resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Gemini, dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. And so Gemini, we're good to go. Doing a simple Celtic cross for you and you alone to see, what your current energy is, and in case you require any guidance regarding that. Also a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you. You guys are so kind to me. Your love has kept this channel alive till now, and I look forward to all your comments. And if you're new here, welcome. Welcome to our little Omkara family. We meet here once a week for all zodiac signs, and join us, subscribe and join us on this channel. So let's see, Gemini. Your first card here is the Knight of Cups, wanting to return to something. Okay. The Lovers, crossed by the Lovers. Wonderful. Okay. Two of Wands, again, wanting to return. Foundation of this problem is the Hierophant. Okay. What happened in your recent past, Gemini? The Three of Swords. All right. So let's clarify this till now to see what happened, and then we'll go on to see what's going to happen. Eight of Cups is normally a card of someone moving away, right? Somebody moving away, going away, leaving unhappiness behind or something. But Gemini, this is in reverse for you. So that means you are wanting to go back to something, and it's crossed by the Lovers, okay? So this could be a romantic interest. This could be a choice that you didn't make in the past, and you're wanting to now go back and make that choice. So let's take a clarifier. Spirit, Eight of Cups in reverse for Gemini. Eight of Cups in reverse for Gemini. Eight of Cups in reverse for Gemini. Yeah, in the past, I think you didn't really fight for this. You didn't really fight for this, and you took it maybe for granted. Where you made no decision, you didn't fight for it. Yes, there was no forward movement that was made by you regarding this decision that now you want to make. Okay, things came to a stagnant stall here because maybe you didn't fight for it. So again, I'm still going to say the same thing. And now you want to return to this Lover's energy after feeling things finished. Okay, you really feel things came to a stagnant stall, and this was very painful for you for having lost something, and you realize maybe it was because you didn't make a choice at the right time. So what's this Lover's spirit? Now you want to go back and have some communications regarding it. Okay, regarding this Lover's card, which is in the crossing position, you are wanting to communicate maybe of something which you didn't do in the past and which now you want to maybe move ahead with. Let's take one more card for the Lovers. What's this Lovers for Gemini spirit? You didn't put in any investment. There was no investment put. Okay, this could be the cross watcher I'm talking to as well, Gemini. So feel free to flip the energy, okay? This could be the person on your mind, Gemini's person that I'm talking about. But if this is you, Gemini, you feel that you did not invest in this at all and in the past, and you didn't fight for this connection, and that left you feeling that it's over, and now you're wanting to go back. And here's another card of going back. And yes, here again I have the Two of Wands, which is yes, wanting to return. Okay, this is your goal. This is in your mind. This is what you want to do. You want to return back. Foundation of this entire problem is the Hierophant. Okay, the card of commitment. So you maybe didn't make a commitment, or you want to make a commitment which is on your mind now. With the something didn't go right. Okay, there was somebody maybe on your mind who was perfect for you, but I think you lost that person because of this indecision. And yep, let's see. Let's take one more card. Now, Spirit, what is this Hierophant? There was no equal give and take in the past. Okay, there was no equal give and take in the past. You were unable to commit maybe in the past. Maybe there were other people in the mix, or it was not an equal give and take here. Maybe there was a third party situation which turned this Queen of Pentacles, who should have been in the upright, the perfect spouse, to become this. Right? You lost this person maybe because of lack of clarity, of commitment, of no equal give and take. In the past, there was some heartbreak. This is what is leading you to come to this place. Yes, again, as I said, there could have been a third party situation here, but whatever ended here left you and maybe your person in a very, very unhappy place. And there was a lot of heartbreak in the past. Again, juggling, right? So they may, like I said, there could have been more than one that you were dealing with here, Gemini, or maybe your person was. And because there was so much of back and forth and up and down and this one or that one, not being able to make up your mind, you finally, I think, lost the one that was meant to be. And now you're heartbroken and you're wanting to return back to that happy place that you feel was supposed to be the one, and you want to have commitment with that person. Great. Okay, so let's see what's coming up in your near future. 8 of Swords. You are... See, your overall energy here was the 9 of Pentacles in reverse, right? Which means the single happy person but doesn't want to be single anymore. So that's exactly what I've picked up here. But in the coming future, I still see you, Gemini, as not knowing how to move forward with this. You are totally stuck in your mind. It's a self-inflicted prison, though. I mean, nobody's stopping you from taking action, but you feel that you're not in control. And you really don't know now how to move forward, with a passionate new beginning with this person. You feel totally at a loss and out of control. And that's leading you to feel in this 8 of Swords energy, which is self-inflicted, stress and tension. You don't know what to say, what to do. And but Gemini, this is self-inflicted, okay? You can get out of it anytime you want. But maybe right now you feel that this person who you felt there was a lot of growth with is not showing you that love and affection or caring, or maybe the way they were in the past. And because of that reason, you don't know now what to say to this person. And it's leading you to be very, very stressed out. Let's see how you see yourself. King of Wands, right? Gemini, the heart of hearts, you know that you are very passionate, you are a go-getter, you get things done, but maybe you are realizing that maybe you thought more with your passion in the past and less with your heart. You thought more with your passion, yes, that's how you see yourself. And you didn't give it much thought as to what it could lead to. And all these 3 cups, which may have been a third party, all these spilled, and now you're regretting it big time. You're regretting being this being in this King of Wands energy in the past, and which led to all this heartbreak, pain, regrets, sorrow, and now you don't know how to come out of it. You are wanting to, desperately, wanting to come out of this place which is very sorrowful, full of regret here. One more card, Spirit. Third party again. Okay, so yes, you see yourself as having too much fun. I have had too much fun in the past, and now you are desperate now to release all this toxicity that you were in, or this addiction that you were in, or any sexual addictions maybe that you had, anything that was wrong. You're desperately now wanting to come out of this, come out of this sad, regretful space after being in the three of cups and juggling and being the king of wands, maybe. So let's see how this person thinks of you, how people see you around you. King of Cups in reverse. Okay, so this person, Gemini, whoever you're dealing with or people around you, are seeing you as a person who doesn't reveal his emotions that easy. Okay, they see you as not taking any kind of any forward movement with them in a passionate way, and this is leading them to a lot of heartbreak, or maybe they see you as heartbreak, having heartbreak from something in the past, and that's why you don't want to move ahead with anyone else to have a new start with anyone. But they do see you as emotionally very distant. They see you as never sharing your innermost feelings, your innermost thoughts, your affection and love. You keep things very hidden to yourself. You are not very proactive where saying the right nice things are. The real stuff you keep hidden deep within, and they feel that yes, maybe you have been heartbroken in the past, and that is why you don't speak up to them. Let's see, what are your hopes or fears? Oops, the devil. You are fearing the devil. You fear that, you are scared, you are fearful, you have, like, what does the devil represent? Okay, devil represents addictions, it represents anger, fear, regret, being upset, and whatever. So you are stuck in this energy. You fear that, that this fear of you not getting this person or whatever is going to stay with you forever, and this regret is what you will have to live with. Let's have a card. Why is the devil? Because you want your wish fulfillment. You see this person as your star, as your wish fulfillment, and right now you are scared that that it's not going to happen. You are scared that your wishes are not going to come true. You are in regret of what you didn't do in the past, and you're fearful that it'll never materialize again. Why? Because you know that you were the King of Wands, okay? The player card again, the King of Wands, is how you saw yourself, and you know it, heart of hearts, that this is the reason that this toxicity ever took place in this relationship. And now you're afraid that your dreams and wishes with this person who got away, the opportunity lost, is going to remain an opportunity lost. Your last card here is the Sun in reverse. So, Gemini, the Sun is never a bad card, okay? So the Sun is always a happy card, whether it's upright or it's in reverse. But right now, even though you may be in touch with this person or in contact with this person, things are not very clear, okay? Things are not straightforward and clear. You still haven't been able to communicate with them as to how you really feel, and things are still cloudy, right? Maybe you're still putting on a face, you're still putting on a false face, I would say, not still revealing, or maybe they are not revealing to you, and you are not clear about which direction this is going to go to. Even though you desperately want all this stress and pain to come out of your life, and maybe you've been really worried about this. So let's spy on your person, Gemini. Let's see how they really feel about you right now. Spirit, how does Gemini's person feel about Gemini? See, Gemini, they also loved you a lot, right? They saw unhappily ever after with you, okay? They thought you were the completion of their life's wishes. The 10 of Pentacles is what they thought you were going to be with them, for them. I think after all these secrets have come out about whatever went wrong, let me not say it again, you know what I'm talking about. So after this person got to know what was going on, maybe behind their back, they have kind of put a end to this, okay? They're no longer wanting to work towards it, and maybe they are wanting a transformation or a new beginning in their own life. Yeah, I think they're concentrating only on themselves now, and they on their work, and they are not even thinking of that anymore, thinking of what could have been with you now in the future. Let's see how you feel about them. How does Gemini feel about this person, the one who got away? How does Gemini feel about this person? One more card, Spirit. One more card. How does Gemini feel about this person? You feel, Gemini, that whatever has happened between the two of you has also burdened them a lot, okay? And you know that they know now, okay? They have kind of, this is how you feel. They've turned their back on you now, where this relationship, the prosperity of this relationship was going. They've kind of turned their back with you. They're no longer interested in accepting any offer from you, and they are keeping themselves stuck where they are not moving ahead with you. But what you see them doing is maybe moving ahead in their own life, page of wands, okay, taking a new creative fresh beginning in their life for themselves and with themselves. So what is the most likely outcome here, Spirit? Most likely outcome. I think, Gemini, you're going to keep kind of keeping a watch on this person, okay? Keep wanting to go back, right? You are keeping a very strong eye on them, because their not being in your life is making you feel emotionally very unhappy at the moment. So I don't think anything's changing right now till the end of July, but we'll keep checking. Next week we'll be doing your love reading. Let's see if something comes out. And any word of advice, Spirit? Any word of advice for Gemini here? Anyone? Any word of advice? Any word of advice for Gemini here? Wow. Any word of advice? There's been too much. There's too much has happened, Gemini. Maybe in the past, too many people have been in the mix. I think what Spirit is saying that right now, you know that this is coming down, right? This tower is already falling, and it wasn't built on stable foundation in the first place. I think it's best now to kind of drop this for the time being. It's really no point right now to kind of, maybe it's too late to take this apology or love offer or whatever. And maybe in the future, maybe this is the last card here, so let's hope this is your future card. Maybe in the future things may pick up pace once again. So right now I think Spirit is saying just lay low for the time being and watch and wait. Let's see what my angels can bless you with. My angels, what can Gemini be blessed or advised with? Oh, so sweet. Thank you. One more. I think what Spirit is saying, Gemini, here. What Spirit is saying that yes, you, I think, have really compromised in the past, okay? Maybe you were not sure this, that or the other, and you took too many chances, okay? Now Spirit is saying, make up your mind once and for all, and don't compromise. Don't compromise to say, if, maybe I can do this, maybe I can do that. If that doesn't work, I'll do this. You have to be very, very clear in your mind. And yes, once you do that and you're sure of what you want, then definitely you can expect some reward which will really make you happy. If you want this person, Gemini, be very sure of this, of having a passionate new beginning with one person. Don't compromise. So that's all I have for you, Gemini. I hope this worked. And love and light. And if you're not a subscriber, please do. And we'll meet again next week. See you then.